Hi ma'am, welcome to my vlog. Ang akong vlog subong is about my lesson 1, kung ano akong na-learn. So, ang una is, ang na-learn ko, ang duwa ka method, ang quantitative method, at quantitative data method, tapos ang qualitative data. So, ang kaibahan nila duwa is, ang quantitative method talks about the quantity of the data, while the qualitative method is the quality. For example, in the quantitative method is the age, weight, and number of people per city. Those are quantitative data. And the qualitative data is the uniqueness of a person. For example, is the attitude of a student toward a teacher, their hair color, and their blood type. And the next one is the primary data and the secondary data. So the difference is that the primary data is the first-hand experience kind of data. For example, is their journals, photograph, pictures, audios, and raw data, artifacts, so on and so forth. Naghahanap pa. The secondary data talks about what they get from the primary data. For example, magazines, census data collected by the government, other population demographics by government, newsletters, and pamphlets. So there are 5 methods in collection of data. The first one is direct or interview method. The second one is indirect or questionnaire method. Registration method, observation method, experiment method. So the direct method is, for example, a news reporter is interviewing a witness in the latest crime case. So that is an example of a direct method. The second one is indirect or questionnaire. You can see this in malls when a manager gives a survey to a customer about their restaurant, if it is satisfactory or not. The third one is registration method. You can see this, it is abided by law. For example, you are getting your license, and that is part of registration method. The fourth one is observation method. So observation method, this is a method which most doctors use after injecting a patient with a drug to make them sleep. They're gonna observe that patient for a few more hours. So the last one is experiment method. This method is mostly used by scientists. For example, they have one plant and they get 2 samples of that plant. The other one is exposed to sunlight while the other one is kept from sunlight. And the last one that I learned is the guide in creating effective survey. So the effective survey is, it is a guide that you can have an idea of a proper and effective survey. It can help you avoid data tampering, keeping your questions professional, and more personal questions at the end of the survey. It is to keep your choices balanced and so that you have a clearer and more accurate outcome of that survey. Thank you, ma'am. This is my vlog. Bye, ma'am.